Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video we are going to see how to change the Google Chrome profile picture avatar with your picture, or if you want to use a Bitmoji, how we can do that. First of all, just open up the browser. On the right hand side we get these three dots. Just click here and just go to settings right at the bottom. Once we click here in the bottom, on the left hand side we see You and Google option. And down here we have the customize your profile or Chrome profile option. From here we can choose different themes and we can also pick an avatar. So let's choose any avatar here. Let's say this one, and the color should be this. As you can see right at the top, the color theme is changing as I am switching the colors. So whatever suits your mood, you can customize it accordingly. So that's a pretty straightforward video. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.